Hello everyone, welcome to day 4 of 100 Day C Programming Challenge. In today's video, we'll see how to multiply two numbers in C programming. So for that, we will first include header file, that is stdio.h. After that, I will start my program with void main function. Inside main, I will take first two variables, int a and b, and then initialize a with 45 and b with 3. For multiplication of two numbers, I will take one more variable mult, in which we will store the multiplication of a and b. So simply I'll write a multiplies b here, and we will print the multiplication using printf function. So multiplication of two numbers, are %d. Here I used integer value 45 and 3. So I'm using %d format specify here, and I'm printing mult here. Now I am saving this program with day4.c. Now we'll run this program in terminal. So cc day4.c. Okay, so I didn't declare mult variable here. Now I will again run the program. Now my program is compiled. For output, I will simply write ./a.out, and here I got my output. Multiplication of two numbers is 135. Which two numbers? 45 and 3. That's all for today. Thank you.